Hello and welcome to AKA Science. My name is Max, and this is Earth Science Club. Welcome to Class 4, Water World. Let's start off with ocean acidification. Begin by showing the students a piece of chalk and asking them if they remember what happens when vinegar comes into contact with something containing calcium carbonate. Pass out a piece of chalk, a 1-ounce cup, and a pipette to each student, as well as a 2-ounce cup of vinegar to share between them. Have the students slowly drip vinegar onto the chalk piece with the pipette and observe the results. Now remove the chalk piece and pass out the seashells, and repeat the same experiment, slowly dripping vinegar onto the seashell and observing the results. It may take some time, but you will see bubbles on the seashell. Now clean up the mess and let's move on to cool caves. Pass out 9-ounce cups, 2 sugar cubes, and a ball of Play-Doh to each student. The sugar cubes are going to represent soft rock that dissolves in water. Put the cubes in the cup and wrap the Play-Doh around them so it touches the cup on all sides, and make sure you can see the sugar cubes easily. Poke a hole through the top of the Play-Doh with a pencil. Then pipette in water to represent rainwater trickling into the rock formation. What happens to the cubes? As they dissolve, a cave forms in the Play-Doh where they once were. Repeat the experiment using more or less cubes, then clean up your wet Play-Doh and we can move on to the final activity, Tsunami Ahoy! If you can, do this one outside. Take a large aluminum pan and place the chopstick domino lamb piece on one side of the pan. Fill the pan about 1/3 of the way with water and give each student 1 domino, having them set up the dominoes on the flat part of the lamp. Give each group of students the large piece of cardboard covered in foil and have them use it to take turns making waves in the water and observe what happens to the buildings when the waves start getting larger. Reset the domino buildings and give each group the smaller piece of cardboard covered in foil and inform them that this is a breakwater, which they can use to block off part of the path of a wave. If they want to secure it to one side with tape, that's fine, but otherwise experiment with holding it in different positions to see how well it protects our domino buildings. Now clean up, debrief, and we're on to Class 5.